Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 3rd of June. Looking at yesterday's data release, it was from Australia locally. We saw the cash rate remain unchanged as the Aussie-US pair continues to make higher highs as it reaches towards the 69-cent level. Now, the RBA did emphasize the need to keep an accommodative policy. They did say, however, they were prepared to scale up bond purchases if necessary. Also, they did indicate that rates would not increase until there is a meaningful progress made towards full employment. That was pretty much a summary from yesterday, as we did see the Aussie dollar continue to climb, had a very, very solid day yesterday. All right, let's move on to our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the CAD Swiss. Now, if we look at this particular chart, yes, the market has fallen, and then we can see that it's creating a rising wedge and it's trading in this region right now. So typically we would be looking for trades that break downwards like this to continue the fall. The higher probability is on the breaking down type trade, but the other type of trade that we can look for is the trades on the fringes. So particularly I'm highlighting these two candles. The little one is this morning's candle. It's only about an hour into formation, so we need to wait for this one to complete. But if these two candles give us a reversal pattern, well, then that would be systems go for us, and we could attempt to trade back into the falling wedge towards the other side of that wedge. So this one is not quite set. We just got to wait for this morning's candle, today's candle, to complete, and we could see this one trigger for us tomorrow. So this morning, our chart of the day is the CAD Swiss on a daily timescale. What's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? There's actually a lot of data in this particular session starting at 11:30. Locally, we have our GDP numbers which are due out at 6:30 from the UK. We have the final services PMI number to come out. 9:15 from the US, we have the ADP non-farm employment change. So this is the private sector, which can be seen as a little bit of a preview to what perhaps non-farm payrolls numbers themselves will present later in the week. Then the highest volatile data to come out in this session happens at midnight from Canada. It's their rate statement decision and the rate itself, along with the statement with the policy that accompanies that. Finally, also at midnight from the US, we have the ISM non-manufacturing PMI number due out. That pretty much wraps up our session today, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.